Kung single attached nga ang hanap mo na may malaking lote at may klimang Tagaytay, available sa Pag-ibig Financing, maganda ang amenities, at higit sa lahat, affordable lang ang monthly payments, then don't skip this house tour video dahil sure ako ito na ang sign mo magkaroon ng bahay this year 2025. Hi everyone, it's me again, Kiara Pepita Sabido for another quick house tour. For today, I'm gonna show you our best-selling Linea Single Attached here in Richdale West Residences. Best-selling, paano ba naman? Standard inner lot pa lang, may 100 square meters na lot area ka na at may floor area ka na rin na 77.25 square meters. Open layout concept ang ating ground floor at meron na rin kasamang bar counter. Sa mga toilet and bath naman, complete fixture tayo, hindi lang nilagay ni developer for viewing purposes ng unit na to. May provision ka na for 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, surface area na napakaluwag pa, at of course, may provision ka for 1 to 2 carport. Basic finish ang turnover nito, which is gustong-gusto ng mga client namin kasi nakukustomize talaga nila yung interior ng buong bahay. Syempre, hindi na double expense kung may gusto silang baguhin o gawin sa unit nila. And guess how much is this unit? 18,000 lang ang down payment mo at sa Pag-ibig naman, 30 years to pay at 26,000. O diba, abot kaya talaga. Pre-selling pa tayo, kaya naman napaka-affordable lang ng monthly payment natin. And yes, may klimang Tagaytay ito kasi napakalapit na nito sa Tagaytay. Perfect nga to for retirement home. And this is located in General Trias, Cavite, malapit lang din sa Lyceum, Cavite. Maganda at upscale din ang amenities. Umabol ka na bago magkaroon ng price increase this July 15. Tara, tripping na tayo. Call or message us in our Viber, WhatsApp at IMO number. See you soon at paalam!